So I'm going to leave all this connected, but I am going to remove the duct tape and put some different tape on here. Hopefully it sticks to that. Let's just pop it in place. Okay, there we go. I got this here too. So I'm going to use some aluminum tape for this. It's definitely going to be better than duct tape. You could screw this stuff together too if you wanted to. Now we're going to try and seal this to the microwave. We do have plenty of room. It's still going to be a tight squeeze. Stuff that down there. Try and go around there. Yeah, there we go. I can get my fingers back there, which is nice. When I go to redo stuff, I can actually get in here and cut this out. No problem. And do the sides. This side. Okay.